Hey, welcome back to the channel. Day 2, video 2 of the flatbed build for little Jimmy. So if you haven't seen our episode 1, part 1, you need to go back and look at that. We had a lot of time lapse of taking the old hitch off and taking the deck plates off and just kind of getting ready for what we're going to do today. Today, I got started about 8:30 this morning. And got prepping the bed area, and then I went to cutting the rails. Got both rails cut, got one end piece cut, and I'll show you that now. You know, as you can see, I got the bed all, or the rails all prepped. Got these two pieces of 4-inch channel iron cut to length, 13.5 foot. I've got the end piece made. And I've got that fitted. Had to work a little while on my AC plug for my wire welder this morning. So that took a while. Then I had to move the loader and bring over these big pieces of channel iron. I used my pickup to do that. Going to be doing some welding. Going to be doing some time lapsing again today. So stick around. All right, I've been doing a lot of figuring, a lot of ciphering, and come up with this deal about the hitch. Now we're putting a B&W turnover ball on this flatbed, so we're kind of trying to figure out how to brace it in the middle. You know, for what they hold, B&Ws isn't very braced very well, but this will be a little bit better. It'll be with channel iron. You know, 6 bolts holds the gooseneck on. So, I mean, 6 grade 8 bolts. So, you know, I mean, that is what it is, and it'll hold campers and hay trailers and everything else. So, that's what we're still gonna do it, but we're gonna use channel iron in the place of the B&W little old angle iron. So I'll show you. See here, I took off, this is the B&W turnover ball turned upside down. We built this brace here out of the channel iron, put holes in it here. These are the 3 holes, the holes here and 3 on this side. These are the factory rails. You know, that is 1/4 inch angle iron, 2-inch angle iron. I mean, that is pretty stout, but it's still no stouter than those 6 bolts. And we're going to be using channel iron in this place. And we will turn this over, and then and the frame will be about right here, and we'll weld that on the frame. Then I'm going to use some of this, and we're going to scab onto that, and then weld, and that way we make a good solid weld onto the frame of the flatbed. That way it won't be, the yaw rate won't get it the back and forth. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We're gonna, we're still doing some time lapsing, so stick around.